Hello everyone, welcome to Clean Copper Talks. So recently, Delhi government has issued GRAP Stage 1 rules for Delhi-NCR region. In this video, we will see what are GRAP Stage 1 rules, that is poor air quality combating rules in details. So GRAP stands for Graded Response Action Rules, which has been taken by the Delhi NCR region government. Why? Because recently they found that the air quality index for Delhi is moving into poor category, and it is expected that it will remain in poor category for coming days. Now, what are these different categories? This also we will see in detail. Why this is happening? Because of unfavorable meteorological condition. Therefore they have issued GRAP stage 1 rules. What are GRAP stage 1 rules, that we'll see, but before that let's see what are different categories for air quality index in Delhi and why it is in poor. So as we can see, these are the different categories for air quality index from 0 to 300 and above. Currently Delhi is in 201 to 300 region, which is very unhealthy. Why? Because health risk effect is increased for everyone. If it is between 0 to 50, 51 to 100, then it is good and moderate. 101 to 150 is unhealthy for sensitive groups such as elderly, old people or children. Unhealthy for everyone. 151 to 200. Then 201 to 300 is very unhealthy, and 300 above is hazardous. Now what is air quality index? Air quality index is a unitless digit which represents complete air quality. Now air quality can have a number of components such as PM 2.5, PM 10, SOx, NOx, ozone, and other air contaminants or uh, air components. Now these all parameters are represented in different units. So comprehensively to qualify how the air quality is at once, air quality index is a very useful tool because it at once at glance it tells you what the condition of air quality. So if we have got this, let us see what are the GRAP stage 1 rules. So GRAP stage 1 rules are basically about combating any contribution of smog or dust particles into the air, basically at the construction and demolition site. All these are rules are related to demolition sites, such as ensure proper implementation direction rules guidelines on dust mitigation measures in construction and demolition activities, and sound environmental management of construction and demolition waste. Then more of the rules are regarding construction and demolition activities. Those said to use anti-smog guns at the construction and demolition site in proportion to total area of construction for the project. Then most of the rules are related to the vehicles. Old vehicles should not be used. 10 or 15-year mold should not be used. The engines should be in proper condition. Why? Because if the engines or old engines which do not work properly, they produce incompletely burnt carbon monoxide. Now carbon monoxide has a tendency to combine with hemoglobin. So if it combines with hemoglobin, hemoglobin does not combines with oxygen. Therefore, less oxygen reaches to our body parts, and which creates a health condition for human beings. Therefore, the vehicles should which are you being on the roads should be in good condition, and uh, the use of fuels which are allowed by the government, which is should be used. Those fuels which are not allowed by the government should not be used. Rotatory kiln or brick kilns should use those fuels which are approved by the government. Otherwise unapproved fuels also produces a lot of dust particle and smog, which contributes into unhealthy environmental conditions in Delhi NCR region. So most of the rules are pertaining to construction demolition site. Then regarding the vehicles and fuels which are to be used, just like this one, ensure that only approved fuels are used by industries in NCR, including brick kilns and hot mix plants, and ensure closure in the case of violations if any. Likewise, some rules for citizens have also been written down here, such as report air polluting activities through 311 app, Green Delhi app, and Sameer app, and avoid firecrackers, because these all activities of use of firecracker generate a lot of smog and dust particles into the air, which is unhealthy for the Delhi region. So basically, GRAP stage 1 rules are regarding avoiding any activity which produces dust particles into the air or produces smog, or those vehicles or those fuels which generate a lot of dust particles. These have to be uh, avoided. So if you want to read these detailed rules, you can google uh, this thing, what Commission for Air Quality Management in the Delhi-NCR region, and you will get this PDF. You can go through all these rules one by one. I hope uh, you got a glance of what GRAP Stage 1 rules are being enforced in Delhi. So see you in next video. Thank you.